Gather all necessary ingredients for making hot dogs. The basic ingredients include hot dog sausages and buns. Prepare condiments such as mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. Prepare toppings such as onion, tomato, lettuce, and grated cheese. Butter the buns for added flavor and texture. Arrange all ingredients neatly for easy access during assembly. The initial step involves preparing the hot dog buns for toasting. Butter is generously applied to the insides of each bun. This butter layer enhances the flavor and promotes browning. A hot pan is essential for achieving the desired toasting effect. The buttered buns are then placed in the hot pan. They are toasted until they turn a golden brown color, indicating perfect crispness. The initial step involves preparing hot dog sausages for cooking. Sausages can be cooked using grilling or pan frying methods. The cooking process requires a heat source, such as a grill or stovetop. Sausages should be monitored closely during cooking to prevent burning. The sausages are cooked until they achieve a golden brown color. Ensure sausages are thoroughly heated to a safe internal temperature. Toasting the bun is a preliminary step to enhance its texture and flavor. Spreading mayonnaise on the inside of the toasted bun is an optional step. Mayonnaise adds moisture to the bun, preventing it from becoming too dry. The added moisture improves the overall mouthfeel of the sandwich. Mayonnaise also contributes to the flavor profile, complementing the other ingredients. Begin by preparing the bun for the sausage. Carefully pick up the cooked sausage. Position the sausage lengthwise along the bun's center. Ensure the sausage is evenly aligned from end to end. The centered sausage creates a balanced base for toppings. The process involves adding various toppings to enhance the flavor of the sausage. Chopped onions are applied as a common topping, providing a sharp, pungent flavor. Diced tomatoes add a fresh, slightly acidic element to the hot dog. Ketchup is applied for a sweet and tangy flavor profile. Mustard is added to impart a spicy and sharp taste. Grated cheese is sprinkled on top, offering a rich and savory component.